How to save content from Twitch. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you save content from Twitch. In order to save content from Twitch, you need to follow the steps. So basically what here you need to do is open up your Twitch. So I'm going to use the browser version of Twitch. So type in twitchtv.com. Once you're logged into your Twitch account, you'll then be taken to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. Now here, what you have to do is enable the desktop site if you're using. Then tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. Then tap on the profile initials from the top right corner of your screen. And from this section, you want to click on Creators Dashboard. Once you click on the Creators Dashboard section, over here you want to navigate, and from the left hand side bar, click on the Settings button. So you have the settings in the left hand side corner, click that out, and over here you want to go ahead and from the pop-up window click on stream. As soon as you click on the stream button, you could see this sort of filled over here. So what you need to do is find VOD settings. So over here you have these VOD settings. So basically what you want to do is toggle the button for store past broadcast. So toggle the button for that, and this is the way you've actually enabled it. Now you have to go to the video producer. So go to the creators dashboard itself, and then there you have these video producers. So click on the gear icon or the profile initials, and when you go to the video producers section, you then need to go ahead and find your VOD. You'll see a list of past streams. Then you just need to click on the three dot icon next to it and then download it. And that is the way you could save content from Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.